Actually.
I'm going to show you how to use this coffee pot. Put it on here. Open that like that. Bend that like that. Set that down. Then get the coffee. Oh, I should have had this ready. Before you do the coffee, take that out. Fill it with water to about that little nut there. Then put that in. Put the coffee in, and you fill the coffee about to the little line inside this thing. It doesn't have to be super tamped down. Then put this in and kind of smoosh it in there like that. Then put this back on. The kind of angled one goes in there like that. Put it on the stove, and then make the flame so it stays under the metal thing like that. And then you let it heat up. Now the only thing to know is once it's done, this handle will for sure be hot. So use an oven mitt. That's all.